Wake up to the sunshine, coffee in our hands, dancing in the kitchen, no big life plans. We got love, we got laughter, we got time to spend. With the two cowards, every day's a song. Living love and laughter all day long. We're writing our story, come sing along. Road stretches wide, a ribbon of dust. Through pines and fields, it carries my trust. With a pack on my back, and the world in my view. Every mile whispers, this is for you. Where the sparks fly under an open sky. Laughter and stories as the embers rise high. The flame keeps us warm, the stars hold us near. Love and friendship burn brighter out here. By the creek where the willows lean and sway, we build our fire and let the world drift away. The crackle of wood, the glow in your eyes, it's where the heart finds what it can't disguise. Every twist of the trail, every turn in the bend leads me closer to you. Skies in gold, the grill's heating up, the stories unfold. Sizzle of the steak whispers to the air. Grilling and chilling under the sky, flavors dancing in the fireflies. Take a bite, taste the good life tonight. Corn on the cob, butter dripping slow. Laughter in the breeze like a river's flow. Smoke curls up like dreams we sow. Plates piled high, hearts so light. Every bite feels just so right. Grilling and chilling under the sky. Flavors dancing in the fireflies. Take a bite, taste the good life tonight. Corn on the cob, butter dripping slow. Laughter in the breeze like a river's flow. Smoke curls up like dreams we sow. Plates piled high, hearts so light. Every bite feels just so right. Plates piled high, hearts so light. Every bite feels just so right. Grilling and chilling under the sky. Flavors dancing in the firefly. Take a bite, taste the good life tonight. Pass the sauce, pass the joy around. Forks and knives play a happy sound. It's not just food, it's love we found. the sunshine, coffee in our hands.